हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू टर्टल्स वर्ल्ड एंड आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। टुडे आई वांटेड टू शेयर सम टॉप्स which I bought from Meesho under rupees only 200. I saw those tops like exactly on Urbanic, so I thought like I will purchase from Meesho and it is so affordable. And yeah, that's why I wanted to share with all of you because everyone nowadays we want to buy something in affordable price also, so it should be good quality. Let's begin it. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe my channel and please do like and share so that I will get to know like you guys will like it or not. And please turn on the notification bell so that whenever I will come with a new video, you guys will get to know. So let's begin it. This is the first top I'm wearing. I bought it only under rupees 184 rupees, so yeah, it's literally worth it. And I have seen this top on Urbanic also. It's completely dupe of Urbanic. I got it in Meesho, so you can see on the screen I'm just feeling so much comfortable and the material is so good. And yeah, it's kind of ribbed material and I literally loved it. The caption on the top is like it gives me a full cool vibes. And yeah, under 184 rupees, what else you can like expect? So yeah, and this top is also comes under like 4 to 5 colors, different colors. So the second top I bought, it's like this is also ribbed material and it looks like this. You can see on the screen I'm wearing it, and on neck you will have one stylish collar also. And yeah, on the back side it will be half backless, so it will give totally so cool vibes and look. I loved it too. And this top is under, for now I just forgot the price. I will give you the link on the description box, so please check it out. On Meesho I was not expecting this much like good quality I will get within this much price. It's totally affordable and like everyone can buy. This top comes under like 7 to 6 or 6 to 7 colors. You will get like white, black. I was choosing white, then I saw the review, it's kinda totally transparent, so I choose this green color. So yeah, you guys will get to know like how many colors are there on Meesho. This is the third number top which is I purchased from Meesho. आप इस टॉप को लाइक यहाँ साइड टू साइड में आप ऐसे टाई कर सकते हो, ये भी बहुत अच्छा लुक देता है. एंड ये काइंड हाई लाइक राउंड शेप का हाई नेक है and it's also comes under so many colors. I wanted to buy white completely, but instead of white this color came, but I didn't return because it's also looks so good. So this was my third top. And the fourth number top I bought from Meesho. It's this one. This top literally gives you the Korean vibes, and as you can see on the screen, you have to tie on the back side. Like on the front side it will be give you that crisscross kind of style, and on the back side you have to tie like kind of bow like I did. Yeah, this top is amazing. I literally love this top. I can wear with skirts, like literally it will like blouse, and here you will get like kind of not stretchable I would say, but yeah, it's stitched like that way only, and it's a off shoulder kind of top. So the material, I don't know, it's kind of not cotton, I would say like mixed cotton. If you are buying white color, this top, actually it comes only white and black, I saw. Yeah, white and black, yeah, not other colors I have seen. So yeah, if you're gonna buy this white color, then make sure like whenever you're gonna wear it, so you should wear white kind of color inners or bras, so without any prints or like bright colors, so that like it won't visible. For you guys, I will put every top's links under the description box, so yeah, please you guys go and check it out. And under Dupes only 200, you won't find anywhere except Meesho. So this was my mini summer top Meesho haul. So I hope you guys like it, and please give it a thumbs up to my videos.